flat water, but it lives in all ocean. Can you see? Octopus has no leg and no hand. See, octopus has 8 arms and a big head, 2 eyes. Can you imagine? Octopus has 3 hearts and 9 brains. Blood of octopus is blue in color. The octopus has excellent eyesight and poor hearing. The baby of octopus called larva. The body of octopus moves octopus breathes. In this way, we learn about water and